Alrighty, we sort of a sand dirt pile from last time, and this tall post represents the junction. And so now this was the short part of the phase 1 development. We can see on the inside all the materials and stuff like that had to be used. A couple of sheds, things thrown out of the shed because we had to make room for everything else, and that's all junk and boxes. We accidentally knocked off the whirlybird, but fixed that up by a bit of black builder's plastic. Job well done, nice bodgy style. Now what we've got down here, all this dirt, that's just decomposed granite still. And I've had to do that because the fence line actually, the level comes up quite a distance from the front corner all the way up to the back. So I had to put a bit of a rise in the fence to keep it level. It's not perfectly level, but I couldn't exactly follow the rise of the land. Anyway, so the deco is to cover up the gap that was inevitably on the bottom. So we get to the corner post. Now I've run the fence a little bit longer so that it's easier for me to stitch in phase 2 at the next post, rather than trying to jam everything together like 3 different meshes onto one post. So you see there's still a bit of a distance to go. Those nice olive trees looking good in the overcast day. And then at the same time I had to create this little chap, and this is my quail aviary. It's only 2.4 square. I'm not sure if we'll be able to see any. Yep, there we go, little king quails going about their business. So again, this also had the problem with trying to mix very uneven land with what you're trying to do as a level structure. So I put down some 200 by 50 treated pine and then backfilled everything. The roof still needs to be fixed up. I'm going to put a skillion roof on there, but for now the black plastic will have to do the trick. This is 90% shade cloth that I'm using. It might seem like it's an overkill, but believe me, come summer they're going to be thankful for that. And I'll probably set up a drip system on it so that it's a bit of traditional cooler bar evaporative cooling type system in there, because even though they all just spend their time on the ground, it can still get pretty damn hot in there. So this is all remnants of the mulberry tree that was here, and then you can see more over there. This is the mulberry tree we're going to keep because that's got a little bit more of a sour taste to it. I prefer that. So this is the back side of phase 1. That's a 30-meter run down to the back there. Hello. Hey Loki. You okay, buddy? And that's Luna over there. What you doing, Loki? You're not happy. What you not happy about, buddy? Yeah. So that tree you can see in there, that is actually the mulberry that we had before, and it's just been hacked right down. It'll have to be constantly trimmed to keep it under control, but it should make for a nice living sort of area for those quail to sit in. I'm probably going to have to do something about the water. I have a feeling these quail are just going to put a whole bunch of trash in that water if they can. We'll see how it goes over the next few days. Need to get some more live grass growing in there. I just threw in that clump. It should help them feel a little bit more at home.